Apple is implementing a major change to HomeKit that will affect every smart home user. This upgrade fundamentally transforms how your devices communicate and work together. Apple is mandating this upgrade with a clear deadline. Support for the older home architecture will end in fall 2025, and iOS 19 will only be compatible with the new architecture. The upgrade fundamentally changes how devices communicate with HomeKit. Instead of direct communication between your iPhone and accessories, the system now relies more heavily on home hubs. A major change is that iPads can no longer function as HomeKit hubs. Only Apple TV and HomePod devices can serve as home hubs in the new architecture. The new architecture brings several important improvements. You'll experience faster connections and enhanced reliability, with fewer device drops and connection failures. The system now processes commands locally on your HomePod or Apple TV, reducing reliance on cloud servers. This enhances both privacy and response times. This upgrade is essential for supporting Matter accessories. Matter is a smart home standard that allows devices to work across different platforms like Google, Amazon, and Samsung, but it requires the new HomeKit architecture. The Apple Home architecture upgrade represents a significant evolution in smart home technology. While mandatory, it brings substantial improvements in speed, reliability, and compatibility that will benefit all HomeKit users. Apple's HomeKit architecture upgrade can happen in two different ways, and understanding the process will help you prepare for a smooth transition. There are two upgrade paths available. Some homes will receive automatic updates from Apple, while others will require manual intervention. Unfortunately, Apple hasn't clearly defined the criteria that determine which homes get automatic upgrades. To understand the current state of this upgrade, we need to look at its development history, which has been somewhat rocky. The new architecture was first introduced in iOS 16.2, but Apple had to pull it due to serious compatibility issues. It was later re-enabled with iOS 16.4 in February 2023 and has been generally stable since then. Before attempting any upgrade, there are crucial prerequisites you need to understand about your home hub setup. Your Apple TV or HomePod serves as the crucial home hub for the new architecture. These devices must be updated to the latest software before you attempt the HomeKit upgrade, as they handle much of the processing locally. However, not all devices will benefit from this upgrade, and some users may face significant challenges. Be aware that older devices unable to run the latest software may experience disruptions during the upgrade process. It's recommended to update all your devices before attempting the architecture upgrade to minimize potential issues. Despite these challenges, the upgrade brings significant performance improvements that make the effort worthwhile. The upgrade delivers significant performance improvements. You can expect faster device state registration, improved response times, and better overall performance, especially in homes with many connected devices. The Home app will register device states much more quickly than before. While the upgrade process requires careful preparation and may present some challenges for older devices, the performance improvements and enhanced reliability make it a worthwhile transition for most HomeKit users.